Whether you have a full fleet of STIHL battery-powered tools or just the one, you're going to want to get the best out of your investment with quality storage and easier transport. Here at STIHL, we offer a range of different solutions for your batteries. First is our fabric carry bag. This lightweight, durable bag can safely store 2 AP or AK batteries and a STIHL charger, but can also be used for other accessories such as hand tools, maintenance tools, or cleaning materials. It comes with a crossbody strap too for easier carrying if you have your hands full with tools. Next is our battery carrier. This simple but effective storage solution lets you move up to 6 STIHL AP batteries efficiently to and from your van, and is great if you work with others as part of a landscaping team. You can easily transport batteries to the worksite and get started right away, without having to worry about going back and forth to the van to grab another battery. Then there is our MultiPurpose AP system carry case. Like the battery carrier, this carry case has been designed for chainsaw users and makes transporting from the work van to the field easier than ever before. There is space for 4 AP batteries, a bottle of 1 litre chain oil, and a separate pocket for tools such as a combi spanner, filing tools, and chain maintenance accessories. Plus, it offers added protection too. The water repellent material of the bag keeps moisture away from your batteries. We also have sturdy storage boxes for your batteries, chargers, and accessories. These versatile boxes are ideal for all types of users and come in 3 different sizes. Plus, they can be used with any other Sustainer boxes. The smallest box comes with an inlay and can store 2 AP batteries and a charger, or 4 batteries by removing the inlay. The medium-sized box also comes with an inlay that can store 6 AP batteries and a charger. And finally, the large box comes with an anti-slip base pad and can store a wide variety of chargers, batteries, accessories, or an AR backpack battery and carrying system. One great feature of our battery storage boxes is that they can be stacked on top of each other and locked together, so they can be moved as one. The box contents are also easily accessible even when they are stacked. The inlays are removable, so the boxes can be used storing your PPE, hand tools, cleaning materials, or other accessories for your STIHL tools too. So whether you're a professional user or a homeowner, there's a STIHL storage solution here for you. Visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer to find out more.